All right, guys, we're back. And Paola's drink is finished. Paola Henderson, you're having a time. Do you want to top up?
Yeah.
Let's get another drink. Thank God Tyrone made this one for you as well. Tyrone knew that you would have been drinking out here. Yeah. Only 2 drinks allowed though.
That's fine.
That's right.
Let's just blame it on online school.
Online school has been a challenge.
It has.
It has.
It really has.
Wow. Yeah, I do envy parents in terms of having.
It feels like another job.
Yeah.
An additional job.
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah.
Paola, I'm rolling out a recipe. Mom's best friend, even a health coach mom, best friend
Okay.
is Grace.
Okay. Yes.
Grace is mom's best friend. I have this has such wonderful flavor. It can take even vegetables up to a different notch altogether. I'm using Grace jerk seasonings. I'm using both the mild and the hot. And you're kind of waiting to see what I'm going to do, right? Yeah.
But I can see that it's forks and spoons over knives.
I don't know why Morella put that there. Because she put that there, I think, only because it's kind of like finger food.
Okay, I'm excited.
Let me tell you what I'm doing, and let's get cracking, right? Let me get this drink away, because I will knock this drink down.
And I'll have a sip.
And you'll have a sip. I have pumpkin, and I have some white beans. I'm doing a roasted jerk pumpkin and white bean dip.
Yum.
So it's like lovely flavors. Nice little dip. You can use any one of your nice little vegetables to dip. And that's what we're going to do today. Let me show you how easy it is to put together and how flavorful this is. So I have pumpkin. Let me start with creating my jerk sauce that will go over this. So I'm using a nice heaping. This is real flavorful. Have you ever used this, Paola?
Yes, I have.
You have?
Yes, it's great.
So Grace jerk seasoning. I'm using, you're a spicy girl?
Yeah, I like a little touch of spice.
You like a little touch of spice? So I'm going to use just about a half teaspoon of the spicy one, just to mix it. I kind of like using both the mild and the hot together, right? So I get that in there. I just get a little bit of olive oil in there with that, just to cover it. Touch of salt. You don't need much salt here. Just touch of pepper, because the seasoning that has some nice salt content in it as well. And I just whisk that together.
That whisk is quite cute.
It's lovely, yeah? I whisk with love. I now whisk with love.
Okay.
It changed my entire life in the kitchen.
Cute.
I whisk with love. Paola, pumpkins. Simple diced pumpkins.
Yes.
And I am just getting that poured all over there. And I want to mix. So let me see if I can be fancy here for you, Paola. Just really kind of get a nice mix together. Toss.
It goes in there anyway.
It goes in there anyway.
Yes. Okay,
you saw that. You saw that skill.
Yes.
Paola, sorry. you just get it in here. And you get it in a greased line dish, Paola. Even, right? So you spread out. And I just really want to add a couple cloves of garlic in there as well, Paola, to roast with it. It goes in the oven and roasts. Pumpkin roasted is like a whole different level.
Yes.
Yeah, it's a whole different level of vegetable. 20, 25 minutes kind of thing. And Paola, you know how we do here. I have some that's nicely roasted here and ready to start pulling everything together. So I have a food processor. You would need one of these. So I'm just gonna get my pumpkin straight in here in the food processor. See if I can do this without making a mess, Paola.
You're doing a good job.
I'm doing a good job? And get that in there. And now literally it's all about just kind of getting all the ingredients in the food processor. No maths in this at all. White beans. I love white beans. It's just such a lovely base.
Yes, it comes with like a creaminess texture.
And it takes flavor well as well. So white beans, guys, you get it in the supermarkets. Really, really simple. I have some good old Trini green seasoning. You could use any kind of fresh herbs you have, but I always have Trini green seasoning that's all nice and blended. But any kind of herbs you have, fresh herbs you can add here at this point in time. A touch of salt just because I added those beans. Touch of pepper, Paola, nothing much. Paola, how I'm going so far? Will this go on paolahenderson.com?
Yeah, I can put it on the website.
On paolahenderson.com, I will be very, very happy to have one of my dishes health coach approved by Paola. Here now, Paola, I'm adding a little oil as well to this just to bring it together. So a little olive oil. Let me see how that goes. And you really just pulse. Paola, just like that, you have a roasted pumpkin with jilt flavored white bean dip. I just want to make sure, Paola, that it's good. It is. It is. It is.
Okay, great.
So guys, all you do here now is you spoon this out into your favorite container, and you could have it with anything. It's literally a dip that you can use with vegetables. I was thinking, like, you have some poached shrimp.
Yeah.
That's an idea as well.
Yeah.
But I just wanted to make sure I keep lean and mean and healthy for you. So I gave you some celery sticks and some carrot sticks.
Yum. Let's see. It looks good.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. Moment of truth. Nina will love this. Yeah, she will love this.
Really good. I'm
It's good.
tasting the flavors of this jerk
Take out the
seasoning.
jerk seasoning, yeah. It's all about that great
It's
jerk
a really
seasoning.
good idea, actually. It's
Yeah.
like a little different to hummus, for instance,
Right.
with a little spice, and it has the white beans, and I love the roasted pumpkin. That's something we do all the time.
Yeah. I know you roast pumpkin. I was just thinking of how I can make roast pumpkin cool and different for you.
You've given me lots of ideas
Oh
here.
my goodness. So I'm making our health coach Paola Henderson happy on this Mother's May that we're celebrating. We continue to celebrate Mother's May. When we come back, the challenge gets even harder because I'm trying to do a dessert that Paola will approve of.
Wow, okay. I didn't know I was here for dessert, but yeah, welcome.
Put your feet up and have some dip, Paola.
Yes,
We're coming
I am.
back. Cup of Joe, Mother's May. Yeah. Roll Out a Recipe comes to you courtesy Grace Jerk Seasoning.